Today we will discuss about how to improve doctor-patient relationship. So it is very important to improve doctor-patient relationship. Once that patient enter in the clinic, the relationship with the doctor is starting. So establish a rapport from the beginning, that is most important for their good relationship. So doctors should really try to make the patient to understand that doctor really truly here to help them and help them get better, so that relationship should be maintained. And further, to improve this relationship, limit interruption and distraction when the patient is visiting the doctor. Most doctors only spend about 15 minutes with their patients, so it is important to make the best use of that time. Further, doctors should be sure to put their phone on silent before the visit begins. So, taking a call during an appointment with the patient may make the patient feel as if they are not a priority for the doctor. This can cause patient to be despairing, making it difficult to get the information what doctor needs, and sometimes it is also difficult for the doctor to treat properly. Further, to improve this relationship, doctors should be aware of body language. Doctors should try to keep their hands open. If doctor clench their fists, then they may look firm and unyielding for the patient. Keeping their hands open with a more inviting gesture, that will helpful for the patient to give each and every detail of their disease. Casual smiling and making eye contact are also important for their good relationship or getting of proper information from the patient. Respect patient autonomy. Doctors should want to do what's best for their patient, but doctor also have to respect patient's autonomy and ability to make informed decision. For example, if there are several treatment options available, doctor can present the pros and cons of each that treatment option and let their patient decide. So doctor is expert, but patient is expert for their own life, so patient should be decide for the treatment option. There may or may not agreement with the doctor's choice, or sometime doctor choice and patient choice is different, but several treatment option is available, then patient must be deciding factor for the treatment plan. What's important is that doctor treat the patient like an equal partner in the decision making process. So that all is helping to make a good relationship between doctor and patient. Before the visit end, doctor may want to read his or her notes on patient's detail and disease history and ask the patient if he or she agree with that information, and that information all information is correct. So that is at the end of that process when you are deciding or finalizing the treatment. Before that, concerning and confirming with the patient, that is also helpful for the both doctor and patient. So that's all that can be helpful for making good relationship between doctor and patient.